for coming here. I know that you just want to come here to lay down and relax, to feel relief from the day, from the week, from the month, or your life. It might have been a hard road, but take this minute, this moment, to allow yourself to relax. You're safe and secure. Lay down your head on a pillow or rest it somewhere comfortable. And let yourself feel the stresses melt away. Don't worry, my dear. I am here with you, keeping you safe and secure. There is no need to worry about the day or anything else, but just to be here, present, allowing each nerve to unravel and each thought to just slip away and disappear one by one. 90, 80, 70, 50, 12, 10, 9. As you hear, all half of your thoughts have disappeared as your muscles feel more relaxed and your facial nerves feel relaxed. Your eyes feel heavy, heavier than they have felt in a while, because you're allowing yourself to doze off, to take a breath. This is your space to be safe, secure. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep asleep. Allow yourself to go down deep sleep and see how she wants to. Takes this further and further. Bring yourself into a deep state of hypnosis, allowing yourself to feel very safe and secure. There's no one else here but you and I. It's time for you to let your guard down. It's time for you to let your armor down. Feeling lost can be very confusing and exhausting. And it isn't that you're lost. It is that you found yourself and remembered that you don't belong in the place that you are in because something doesn't feel right in your body, which means that you're halfway from who you used to be and halfway to who you are becoming. And it's very safe, even though it feels uncomfortable to be in this space. On the journey, you know that this part is imperative for you to grow, for you to become resilient, strong, and for you to hold that balance and foundation, because that's what you're doing right now. You're building the foundation with brick by brick, and not a paper castle that can fall so easily. And that's why it feels so uncomfortable in this middle ground. It might feel like you're overwhelmed. The emotions take over. gets you to your success faster and keeps you there. A strong foundation, courage and bravery, resilient talents and skills keep you achieving higher and higher for what you want. So my dear, you're safe and secure as you allow yourself to rest, because knowing that rest is also productivity is very important. Sometimes taking 2 steps back by having a day of fun or doing something for yourself as if it's self-care, or going to the beach or to nature to relax, or even taking a nap and just lounging. That's being smart, productive, and keeps you balanced and moving forward. Don't lose faith, because you can sense that you have faith. You have the courage to keep going forward, and the bravery to see the vision that might be unclear as of yet, but you know it's there, because you can feel a difference, that you want to be somewhere else, that you belong somewhere else, and you feel different in your body, in your soul, in your mind, your emotions. Trust yourself to know that you're moving forward. The happiness is an inside job, and the only way through is going within, knowing how you feel, why you feel it. It's a genius way to break through faster. Don't forget to love yourself first. Prioritize what you need, because when you're 100%, you can show up 100% for others too, and give them the best version of you. So don't lose faith. You're moving forward. Know that every step you take brings you closer and closer to where you need to be. And if that step seems scary right now, remember, taking a baby step will also get you there. So focus on the first baby step to getting you to the goal that you need to get at. Only you know what this goal is for you. But there's a pep in your step. There's a joy in your thoughts. There's a happiness that spreads, and you feel it running through your blood in the veins. The giggles of joy spread. The happiness creates a new creation, and newborn ideas push you forward into a state of inner peace. The more you get to know yourself, the easier it will get in life. The further you will go. Because when you know who you are and what you want, and you believe in yourself, love yourself fearlessly, you know that your standards will not drop. The right people will come into your life. Even if it feels lonely now, you are meant for extraordinary. So don't give up. You are brave, you're courageous and strong, and I see you. So lay your head down and allow yourself to rest now. You are safe and secure. Allow yourself and give yourself permission to recover and find that ultimate balance from your internal to external. I know you can do it. Feel all your life force coming back to you, all the healed life force energy coming back to you, filling your very full of yourself in a good way. Happy, content, brave, full of smiles and laughter. And today, you implement something fun for you that makes you laugh. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. And as you go deeper into hypnosis, you realize how easy it is for you to have fun, for you to embrace life and see new opportunities come to you. Because you are not lost, you are found. And the healthiest part of you know that even if it feels as if you're overwhelmed, you know that you're in between stages right now, and that's why it feels uncomfortable. Because you're building resilience, strength, courage. Empowering yourself, powering yourself up is the moment when the race car comes in and drives in to get fuel, gets the tires changed. The driver gets water in their mouth. This is your stage. Get ready. 1, 2, 3. Feeling it in your body, so self-assured, confident. 4. Knowing that you can be brave and have certainty of where you're going. 4.